So, hi friends, I came with one of the very important opportunity from Amazon, and this is direct test hiring, no shortlisting, no business shortlisting is there. So you have to just register directly. So this is a wonderful opportunity. Those who are looking for the job with the Amazon. Okay, so you have to basically provide all those details and just click the next, and you have to do the registration. Okay, so they are hiring for the role of these and the transportation specialist one FTC Bangalore. So these are the roles and responsibilities just to go through it. So freshers are legal for this too, and this is a kind of support role. So if you want, you can apply for this. Okay, make sure to apply with a better resume, and if you have done some any internship or some higher work experience, then this will give you chances. Okay. Next important material is from the Cognizant. This is a work from home profile, and earlier I provided update. So if you haven't applied it and want to work with a good MNC, then you can apply for this. And they are looking the freshers, and the shift time will be day shift, and Saturday and Sunday will be off, and job location is Bhubaneswar. So for that, you should be having knowledge, or you should be having good communication skill, email support role, and content creations and digital marketing. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you can apply. Friends, we regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can apply. Currently, lots of hiring is going on, especially from the IBM, upgrade HSBC and other hiring. So if you want, you can apply for that. Again, saying keep applying for off-campus hiring. Don't complete in college. And this is a short update. So if you have any query, feel free to ask. We can connect on LinkedIn or Instagram or whatever program are compatible with. Query, feel free to ask her. I feel very happy to help you. So if you want, you can register this wonderful opportunity. Until next video. Thank you.